everyone, and welcome to Art with Miss Salaberios. Today we are putting together two very cool subjects. And as we know, when we put something together, we call it integration. Today we are integrating art and science. How cool is that? We will be doing some magic drawing. So stay tuned for your wonderful art and science lesson. So, what do you need? First, let's start off with something to draw with. See if you can find a marker or a pencil or a crayon or a colored pencil or anything like that. Even a pen works. Try using something that has a little bit of color so you can see it better. Did you find it? Great! So now let's find a piece of paper or even a napkin would work. Then last, for our science, we need a glass of water. Now you can use a cup of water, but please make sure that you can see through the cup. It should be transparent, meaning you can see through it. Can you say that with me? Transparent. Transparent. All right, so let's begin. So just like you, most of my items are at school. So I found some things around my house to help me with my project. Here we have a picture frame that I'm going to use as my easel so I can draw on so you can see. I found my piece of paper here, which I'm going to tape to my easel. There we are. And let's just put another piece of tape just for good measure. Voila, an easel. And now I'm going to use my marker that I found. But remember, if you found a napkin, you can use a napkin. I'm setting my paper up so that way you can see me draw. You feel free to draw just flat on your table or whatever's in front of you. Now I'm going to use my marker to make two arrows that are facing the same direction. How do you make an arrow? Well, I'm here to help you out. So you can start off by drawing a horizontal line. Horizontal means from left to right or right to left. The best that you can. Next, I'm going to draw another one because I asked for two. Two horizontal lines. Now they don't have to be perfect, but if you want them to be the same, you can work on that just fine. Next, I'm going to add triangles to the ends of my arrows. But let's make sure we're putting our triangles on the same sides. Great! Now you can take this time to decorate your arrows however you'd like. Great job with the drawing. Now it's time for some magic. I'll give you a few moments to get your glass of water. Don't forget, make sure that it is transparent so you can see through it. If you need help, make sure you ask an adult. So here are the arrows we have drawn. Take a look at the direction that the arrows are facing. Very good. Now it's time for your glass of water to shine. I would like you to slowly move the water in front of your arrows and pay close attention to the bottom arrow. What's happening? Now take a look. Presto! The bottom arrow is facing the opposite direction. Now, do you think I just went in really fast and changed my arrow? Well, let's have a look. No, I didn't. It's still facing the other way. Now let's move our water back in front. How did we create this magic trick? Well, I'll give you a clue. It's something called refraction.
Huh?
Can you say that with me? Refraction. Refraction. Refraction means change in direction. When light travels from air into water, it slows down, causing the object to change direction, which is refraction. Let's do some more magic drawing. You can either continue drawing on the paper or napkin that you're using, or start with a new one. Draw something with eyes. I'm going to draw a person. In drawing a person or a character, first you want to think about simple shapes. A simple shape that I'll be using today is a circle for my head. Now after I draw my circle, I'm going to add some eyes. And I want to make sure my eyes are looking in one direction, preferably to the right or the left. Next, I need some details. So I'm going to add some ears, and a little nose, and a mouth. You can also choose to add some hair. Think about all the different types of lines we've learned in school. We have curly lines, which we can use to make curly hair like an afro. There's our loops here. You could use straight lines and add some hair using straight lines. You could even use no lines and have one person be bald, and that's okay too. All right, amazing artists, are you ready? Here is a few examples of ways you can draw different parts of a body or even of an animal that you may have drawn. At the top here, you can see different options for eyes, and then we have options for our mouths, and then our nose and ears. In the middle, we have different shapes for your head. But remember, you can use any simple shape you'd like or make up your own. At the bottom, we have options for hair. You can use different lines to create different types of hair and different textures of hair. We have our loops that make our curly hair. We have straight vertical lines that make our straight hair, and some cool wavy lines to make our wavy hair. You can also choose to add accessories. We have bows and hats. You can add scarves. You can even make a body. It's up to you. Hey artists, now it's time to pause this video. You will start your task of drawing a character with eyes using simple shapes or ideas of your own. You can feel free to rewind back to the page that gives you ideas on how to draw eyes, mouths, nose, ears, heads, and all those other great things we just went over. Good luck! Hey, welcome back! I hope you had a great time drawing. So this is what I came up with. Now this is my person, and she is looking to the right. Very good. So right now she's looking down at this marker. I have a question for you. When I bring my water in front of my picture, which direction will my character be looking in? Let's see. Amazing! She is now looking to my left. Very good. Feel free to use your materials to create as many drawings as you'd like, and using your water to make them magical. Thank you for joining me today. See ya!